Hi friend, today your art desk is going to get a simple but such a magical update. Confession time. I used to absolutely dread picking colors for my coloring pages. I'd open my giant marker stash all excited, only to be betrayed by the caps and endless choices. Like, why does this supposedly dusty pink, that is named as such, look brown on paper? This can really turn choosing a palette into a guessing game, and not the fun kind, and this is before you even started coloring. Today we're fixing that. Enter the swatch cards. I have created a free template for you to print out and customize, and by the end of this video, your creative journey will become a whole lot easier. So step 1 is super simple, print out the template. It's linked in the description. I went ahead and typed in the set of markers I am going to swatch today. However, the template attached to this video is blank, so you can add your own. This is printed on A4 paper and, as you can see, fits 3 cards per sheet, and each card holds 12 swatches. Then go ahead and grab your markers and start filling in those boxes. This is where the magic happens. Swatching lets you see what each color actually looks like on paper, not just what the lid claims. I will also say that this process is surprisingly therapeutic. Just put on some chill music and treat it like an art date with yourself. And hey, do not skip the labels, otherwise all this hard work will just go to waste. As you can see, I label mine to the side of the swatches. I know some people like to label them right on top of the color. Honestly, personal preference. Do what you enjoy. After this step is completed, you could just cut those out, staple them together and call it a day, and this would be perfectly fine. However, I'm taking it one step further by laminating the sheets. Just a basic home laminator and pouches, nothing fancy. Everything is linked in description. This step protects your swatches from wear and mystery art desk spills, plus I think it's like a really pleasant tactile experience, but honestly all optional. It is generally fine to laminate and then cut around the pieces. This way you are breaking the seal around your pieces, but for general household use it's fine. A workaround this would be to cut out your pieces before laminating and then also cut the laminating pouch pieces to fit perfectly. This is a bit of extra work that doesn't make sense for my use case personally, but it is definitely an option if you wish to do so. And yes, I am painfully aware that these scissors are horrible, just something I had on hand, sorry not sorry. This is a judgment-free craft zone. Perhaps you have real scissors or even a paper trimmer, and this step will yield much more professionally looking results for you. Now your cards are all ready to use, and you could just keep them separate, but I like keeping them in bundles specific to the coloring set. You could either punch holes, or what I've done here is adding little hanger tabs, then pop them on a metal keyring, and of course add some beads. And just like that, now you have a swatch ring you can flip through anytime. It's cute, it's functional, and it puts you completely in charge when choosing colors, instead of guessing and hoping for the best. As I mentioned before, the template itself and all of the supplies I use in this video are linked in description. Enjoy your productive craft session, and let me know in the comments what colors you rediscovered while swatching.